I'm Karina Tech, the author and founder of Scolio-Pilates. I come to Scolio-Pilates from a Pilates background, and I come to Pilates from a dance and art background. I was a professional dancer. I am still a professional artist, and I am infinitely intrigued by the human body and all of the changes that can happen and what movement can provide to those changes. I spend my time now as close to the water as possible, and that water today is a river in the Virginia area where we have the Scolio-Pilates, Scoliosis, and Spine Center. And I do end up traveling a lot with my husband. We travel for my teaching primarily. This teaching gig is taking me all over the world, and I'm extremely grateful to have been all over this country and throughout Asia, throughout Europe. It's been a real gift to get to know you and to get to answer your questions and to know how we're going to collaborate and work together in the future.